A very good evening to you. This is your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley has announced that Jamaica's quest to produce oil and/or gas is showing promising signs. The announcement comes 6 months after British-based Tullow Oil intensified its exploration activities. Dashan Hendricks has been following that development and now brings us the latest in this report.
It's been 18 months now since Tullow Oil has been at it, trying to find oil and/or gas in Jamaican waters off the south coast. In March this year, it launched its latest quest, a 2D seismic survey in which it sought to get a general understanding of the area to determine if its efforts are in vain. Turns out so far, it's not.
Tullow and the PCJ, that we are encouraged based on the data that we collect.
Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley says that the data gathered give encouraging signs that oil and/or gas may be in Jamaican waters in significant enough quantities that Tullow Oil is willing to spend more money moving to the next phase of exploration, 3D surveys, to double-check its initial assessment.
It is the first time in Jamaica's oil and gas exploration program that we are seeing this level of interest and this in-depth analysis being undertaken by any entity.
In March, New Ventures Operations and External Affairs Manager at Tullow Oil, Eric Bauer, said spending money, some $15 million to do a 3D seismic survey was dependent on what was seen in the lower scale 2D surveys.
Probably about 50% chance of going to the 3D.
That chance is now 100%. Further exploration is to start soon.
January 2018. So we are in the preparatory phase right now. So it takes normally a year for us to collect the data and analyze the data.
That means it could be 2019 before an actual well is sunk. Sinking a well is the surest way of getting proof of oil and/or gas. Dr. Wheatley is quietly confident, however, things will work out.
It should not be surprising, though, for us to even contemplate being able to identify a sufficient amount of oil and gas for it to be economical.
He said that is because the exploration area lies in the same geographic region where Colombia and Venezuela now produce oil in the Caribbean Sea. Now he manages expectations.
We will continue to engage and inform the public as to the progress. If it works, if it doesn't work, we'll be the first to inform the public.
That includes letting the public know that if success is attained in finding oil and/or gas, Jamaica may not benefit until 2025. For now, he said, having seen Tullow's success so far, other exploration companies are seeking to come on board to explore as well. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Oil prices finished higher today. Oil for delivery in November rose 81 cents to settle at $50.79 a barrel. That follows 3 session declines in a row. The Jamaican dollar reached a 2-month high against the U.S. currency today. That as the price of the U.S. dollar fell 12 cents to settle at $129.33, the lowest it has been since August 30. The Canadian dollar is selling for $104.10. The pound sterling costs $171.45, while the euro is going for $153.02. Stocks continue to post gains for investors, with the JC index rising by 470 points today, while the junior market index lost 14. Carreras, Jamaica Broilers, the JMB Group, Main Event Entertainment, Radio Jamaica, and Stationery and Office Supplies were among the winners. The losers included AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Producers, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Knutsford Express, the NCB Financial Group, and Supreme Ventures. And that's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.